A lot has happened in the money market funds over the last few weeks since our last update, and yes, after a short break, we are back with our weekly reviews. As you can see over here, the Treasury bills are now officially in the single digit zone, specifically by the way, on 9.39% for the 1 year option, 7.93 and 7.89% for the 6 month and the 3 month options respectively. Remember though that the inflation PI increased slightly from 4.5 to 4.6%, meaning that your money should be returning a net return obviously above this figure over here to ensure that your money's value is on the increase and not on the decline. And now looking at the United States dollar money market fund, we have a good mix of green and red, even though the greens were slightly more. And as you can note, the average is still around the same spot in ilikuwa last time. Kuza, Etica and Jubilee are the first 3 companies in this category, and 4 companies, as you can see over here, will record 4% and below, and that's Dry Associates, CIC, Britam, and they also closed the category na ABSA at 4.11%. And looking at the fixed income funds category, only 2 companies as at now are returning 13% and above, and that is NABO and Etica at position 1 and 2. Zimele came in at 3rd position with 12.36%, and the rest zili record 11% and below. Orient and NCBA are still on the single digit return zone. As you can see, money gives you options, my friends. Money gives you options. Before we look at the Kenya shilling money market fund category, please do not be fooled. Money gives you options. You need to take this time to accumulate as much as you can in order to have the ability to find more options to invest or to make more money. It's okay to try out other options, but not until you have at least 2 to 300 before you start thinking about the alternative. That is 300k. This should be your goal, because you find so many people asking, where should I invest, yet their balance or total savings are hardly 50k or 100k. Don't skip the first baby step to wealth creation. Hiyo ni accumulation. Do not skip that part. Ukiskip this, it's like climbing a building na hauna ladder or hakuna staircase. Hatari sana, my friend. I know we have hyped you a lot with, say, shares, rates, and all that, but to see compete, please be comfortable with your lane and compete against your own goal and financial stability. So, last but not least, the average over here was a total bloodbath this week compared to 5 weeks ago. The average itself stopped at 9.54%. For the first time, we have the single digit story. We've officially joined this bandwagon. We no longer have 13%, but as you shall see in my next video, the special funds are really having their moment in the sun with 20% plus returns. Please usikose your video, special funds, which will be following this. The first 4 companies are returning above 12%, and that is Saiton, Nabo, Gulf Cup, and Etica. This zone is where we are likely going to stick for a while, but bado kutakuwa na a slight drop over the coming few weeks. But sio sana vile, don't expect much. Remember to keep the main thing the main thing. Wale tuko na below 300k in balance, let's keep pushing and focus. Na wale tuko na above 300k, it's good to start working out options kama kina special funds. And it is at this point that I am glad to announce to you that Etica is joining the special funds. I will be telling you more about it soon, so please stay tuned. And it's exciting to see how the dynamics are going to change in terms of what imekuwa ikidominate the market, the 2 horses, MansaX and Oak Special Fund. Hope your company is treating you good, by the way. And remember to keep the main thing the main thing. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Please fatten the cow, my friend. It's that time to fatten it even bigger. You will thank me tomorrow. Don't let these reds that you see over here scare you at all. The average return is way above the inflation rate. So usikwame kwa hizo rates ati they are dropping and your mates are making moves silently. Please have a fruitful October and let's finish the year strong. Thank you so much for watching and good to have you back. See you in the next video.